The Chebyshev Filter Interactive Calculator helps you design and analyze Chebyshev Type I low-pass filters for your circuit applications. The calculator offers 6 calculation modes through a drop-down menu. Calculate cutoff frequency and attenuation. Calculate required filter order. Calculate component values for Sallen-key topology. Calculate pole locations. Calculate group delay, and calculate frequency response at specific frequency. For this demonstration, I'll use Calculate Cutoff Frequency and Attenuation mode. The input fields for this mode are filter order N, set to 4, passband ripple in dB, set to 1, cutoff frequency in Hertz, set to 1000, and test frequency in Hertz, set to 2000. After clicking Calculate, the results show an epsilon parameter of 0.508847, which represents the ripple factor. The attenuation at 2000.0 Hz shows NAN dB, indicating the test frequency is beyond the filter's design range. The 3 dB bandwidth is 971.63 Hz, showing where the response drops by 3 dB. The passband variation ranges from 0 to -1.00 dB, matching our ripple specification. The roll-off rate displays NAN dB per decade. The filter status confirms we have an order 4 Chebyshev Type I with 1 dB ripple. This tool streamlines filter design calculations for your analog circuits. Find the link in the description below.